I have just uploaded a file under the resources, class-wise notes,
Yes.
transportation and plants and animals, right? The notes of that chapter are there. Just take some 10 to 15 minutes, go through each and every topic so that once we start the subjective part, you are aware how to write the answer. Okay, and these notes are very important, Pitvik. Just, you can just download and keep it somewhere, because when you come to your higher grade, like 8th and 10th, the same chapters are there. Okay, especially in the board exam for the grade 10, you have the same chapters. Like nutrition in plants are there, nutrition in animals is there, transportation is there, heat is there. So class 7 is equivalent to a class 10th actually. Okay, so whatever the notes you have there, just make use of it in the grade 10 as well. Okay.
Okay.
So go through them, and if in case of any doubt, just ask me, so that now we can start with the subjective topic, subjective questions after some 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Abhinubhav. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also fine. Abhinubhav, I have uploaded a file on resources, like under resources. So, resources, transportation and plants and animals. There, I have uploaded the nodes of chapter transportation. Okay, go through those notes for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we are going to start with the subjective questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, Manasvi. Manasvi, I uploaded the file under resources. Open the resources. There you will be finding the class chapter-wise notes. Under the chapter-wise notes, there will be the first file by the name Transportation of Plants and Animals. So the notes of the chapter are given. Go through them, and after a few minutes, we are going to start with the subjective part of this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, turn on your video. And this chapter is very important for your higher grades also. So make sure that whatever doubts you have, clarify them. Anubhav and Manasvi, turn on your video. Hmm. And children, in case of any doubt, you just ask me, okay? Because of the hiccups, I'm just, turning on off my audio. So it might disturb you. Kritvik, which page number?
On page number 3.
Okay, Manasvi, which page number? Anubhav, which page number?
Ma'am, 5th page number.
Okay. Anubhav?
I'm in page number 4.
Okay. So till 6:10 you can complete it, and after that we'll start the subjective questions. So 5 minutes are remaining.
Good evening, ma'am. What are we doing?
Good evening, Varshit. We are going to start with the subjective part of the transportation chapter.
Ma'am, what should we do now?
That's what I am going to share the screen in 2 minutes, and then you should start doing the subjective question answers, short question answers.
Okay.
And I have uploaded a file under the resources with the name transportation. So with the help of those file, you can, try doing the short answer type questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, the 10th one, excretion
Yes, ma'am.
plant that
Manasvi, your
wood
voice is
oil.
breaking.
It
Your
was
voice is breaking, Manasvi. Manasvi, am I audible to you?
Mom, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Ma'am, in the 10th one, excretion flowering plants.
Hmm.
The 4th point, latex gums, resins, tannins, and you mentioned sandalwood oil. Isn't it supposed to be sandalwood oil?
Yeah, actually, it is not double I, it is N, sandalwood.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll start sharing the screen, children. You need to do the short question answers. And as soon as you are done with the question number 4 to 8, share the answers with me on the WhatsApp so that I can check then and there. So question number 4 onwards, you need to start. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These questions you need to do and then share the answers. After that, go with the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can refer the notes also. Okay, I don't mind you referring the notes. You can refer those and you can do it. Since it is the first time you're going to do that, you can help. You can make use of it.
Ma'am, what about the first, second, and third?
That that I actually the simple question. That is why I did not share that.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Five to 10.
4 to 8, first of all.
Okay.
Which question number, Kritvik?
Ma'am, in the last question.
Okay, Anubhav?
Ma'am, 7th question.
Okay, Manasvi?
Ma'am, 7th question.
Okay, okay. So complete till 8 and then send me the answers.
I'm done.
Okay, send me the answers. You can just click the image, okay? Don't make the PDF right now. Just click the image so that I can check then and there.
Yes. Ma'am, should I send it right now or
No, right
should
now
I-
you should send. No, right now you should send so that I can check it.
it's not actually available?
Okay, okay. Then in that case, you can send me later for the correction, okay? And then you can go ahead with the question number 9 onwards.
Ma'am, send the first set.
Okay, okay. I'll just check it. Question number 5, Kritvik. They have asked why does the rate of heartbeat increases after running? So when we run a lot, our heartbeat will be increases. So it increases because of the demand of oxygen. Okay. So because the demand of the oxygen will get increase, that is why it makes our heartbeat to increase faster. Okay, you should not write about that blood. Blood does not, like, body should get enough blood. It's not about the blood, it's about the oxygen. Okay. Question number 6. What is this question? It is important. No, 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 no. Excretion is a process to remove the nitrogenous waste from the body, right? So with the help of the excretion, what happened? Nitrogenous waste will be removed out of the body, and it is important so that whatever the urine is generated or whatever the waste is generated in our body, like the sweat, or maybe we can say CO2, or maybe we can say urine, those can be removed out by the excretion process. That is why it is important. Then how is urine examination useful for the doctor? It is useful to doctors.
Mom?
Yeah,
Mom, do I send it through WhatsApp?
yeah.
Okay, Mom, 1 second.
Kritvik, do one thing first of all right now. Rather than writing the answers, first of all, learn from the notes, okay? Because still I feel right, some points are missing and some topics are not being clear. Okay, so read the handouts and then read the handouts properly. Like once you're thorough with the handouts, then you start attending the answers. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So children, if you are not aware of the chapter or any topic, just go through the handout first of all. If you have any doubt, clarify them and then only attend the answers. Okay, Anubhav, I have got it. Just a minute, children. Just a minute.
Mom, I've sent it to you. Mom, can you check I've sent it to you?
Yes, Manasvi, I'm checking it, whether I have received or not. Yes, I have got it. I have got it. Okay, question number 1, relation between the heartbeat and the pulse. It is. Okay, 1 is correct. Second is correct. Why, which is the waste material? Manasvi, in the question number 3rd, come to the 3rd line. Excretion is important as it starts accumulating the body, or it starts accumulating the waste.
Mom, the waste.
Correct. And spelling of accumulating is wrong. It is ACCUMULATING. Okay. In the process of dialysis. Other than it is correct. Then useful to doctors. Okay, along with the in the question number 7, along with your answer, you can also write about the level of the glucose. So with the urine, what happened? The level of the glucose will be find out, or the maybe the condition of the liver will also be rectified with the help of that.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, rest it is correct. All the other answers are correct.
Okay, Mom. Mom, should I start with the 9th question?
Yes, you can start with.
Okay.
Anubhav, question number 6, you should also mention that they will be, if the nitrogenous waste is not being removed, then it starts creating poison or toxic in our body. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good for the answer 7. Coming to the last one. Fine. Rest it is fine. Coming to Varshit now.
Okay, ma'am.
Answer number 7. Varshit, I'll send you the answer so that you can go through and you'll understand that.
Okay, ma'am.
So, in the question number 7, what they are saying that how you will be, what is the use of urine examination? So, basically, it will be telling about the various organ which is functioning normal or not. So, they will be helping to identify the disease, whether extra sugar is there, enzyme is there, or what about the level of the blood. So, all those things will be identified with the help of the urine examination. So, I have shared that answer also with you. And answer number 5, oxygen spelling, you need to correct it on Oxygen. Okay. Spelling of urine in the question number 6, fourth line, URINE. And the spelling of sweat, SWEAT.
Mom, I haven't understood the 9th question.
Okay, question number 9, what they say is that if vegetables such as brinjal or the ladyfinger become somewhat dry and shriveled, so you might have seen like when we keep those vegetables for some days and all, then what happens? They will get dry. Now they are put in the water. So if you put them in water, again they will look like fresh. Why it happens so? So I'll tell you the answer. It happens because of the osmosis. So osmosis is the process by which the water will start moving inside the vegetable, which give them the freshness. Okay.
Oh, okay, Mom.
In the 10th one.
What, Kritvik?
Um,
You want me to explain the 10th one?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so plants do not use all the water they absorb from the soil. Then why do the plants absorb so much of water? So why they have to do that? Because the plants, what they do? They do the transpiration process in the class 7th, right? In the chapter, um, I think the transportation itself, you have learned about the transpiration, and the class 6 also you have learned about. Like from the leaves, what happened in the form of the water droplets? The water goes out, and that is the reason that the plants, they will be absorbing so much of water, but they will not be using it completely. Okay.
I'm like excretion.
Transpiration.
Yes, ma'am. Like the water is vaporized through transpiration.
Yeah, the water is vaporized through the transpiration, and for that reason, what they should do, they have to absorb the large quantity of the water, because so
Yes.
much of water will be escaped through the process of transpiration, right? So some, only some or little amount of water will be remaining with them for the food preparation.